The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello everyone, this is the English we speak. With me, Feifei, and... oh no, Rob is late again.
Oh, sorry I'm late. I missed my train. Oh, and I had to wait for the next one.
Are you okay, Rob? You're very breathless.
Well, you would be if you'd run to the station and from the station to the office.
It's not that far, Rob. I think this is a wake-up call.
A wake-up call? No. I set my alarm. I got out of bed. It just seems to take longer to walk to the station these days.
I didn't mean your alarm, Rob. A wake-up call is a warning that you need to change your current situation before it gets any worse.
And what is my current situation?
You are unfit. You need to do some more exercise. Let's hear some examples of a wake-up call, shall we?
Martha's bad test results were a wake-up call for her to work harder before her final exams. The store's poor sales results are a wake-up call for the business to move with the times and sell more fashionable clothes. The recent extreme weather is a wake-up call for us all to do something about climate change.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and in this program we're learning about the phrase a wake-up call, which means a warning to change your current situation and stop things from getting any worse. It's time to change, like Rob's fitness. So, Rob, how are you going to change your current situation?
Well, that's easy. I'm going to get a later train. More time in bed.
I wouldn't, Rob, otherwise you'll get another wake-up call.
Oh, who from?
The boss. He hates people being late all the time. So if you're not punctual, you might get the sack.
Oh, right. I'm off.
Where are you going?
To do some exercise. Like you said, I need to get fit. Quickly. Bye.
Good luck, Rob.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.